In this video, I'm gonna talk about change to color tutorial in color correction. There are 4 videos here. Let me play it. Well, I want to change the color of these. I go to the video effects folder, color correction, and the change to color button. First, I come on the first button and activate this. There's a from button and a to button, with which I can decide the color to change from one to another. I come on this eyedrop and select the red color here, and then come on to and select green. You see that all of the red areas in the photo is changed to green. Then I come on the second video and add this. For example, this point, the yellow color. The next video and the color blue. Well, you can see that the colors are changed. I can also use the masks. For example, I come here and select this. I want to darken it a little bit or even lighter, and I want only this area to be colored. So I come on mask and set it here. And select this color.